Hi there, students. To earmark as a verb and earmark as a noun, I think it's much more common as a verb. If you earmark something, you have the intention of using it for a particular purpose. So the money in this envelope is earmarked for my holiday. Yeah, very often we use this verb in the passive. Something is earmarked for something because we're more interested in the reason why it's earmarked than the person who earmarked it. Yeah. Where's that milk that was in the fridge? I had earmarked it for a cake I was going to make. Yeah, particularly common is to earmark money for a particular purpose, to allocate, to reserve, to designate, to designate funds or resources for a particular purpose. So I've earmarked next Saturday as the day when we are going on our picnic. Yeah. There is money earmarked for this new program. It's set aside, it's kept back, it's reserved. Yeah. Let's see, an earmark in itself is a mark on the ear. This is something, for example, that you might find with sheep. Yeah, that they have a cut or a shape cut in their ear, and that says who the owner is. Yeah. Let's see, cows, very often they brand them, they burn a mark on them, but you can earmark something as well. They have like a pair of pliers that cut a specific shape, and that effectively is to earmark. You might also see animals with like a tag in their ear. I guess that's an earmark as well. Yeah, it says who something belongs to for animals. But, well, that's only in a very specific way. But we earmark something, we allocate something. So I had those eggs earmarked for a cake that I was going to make. Yeah. Okay, so to earmark, to designate something for a particular person. Yeah, it's particularly talking about earmarking money, earmarking funds, earmarking resources. Yeah. I don't know, if you are a general and you are in charge of logistics, then you need to earmark different things for different purposes. This money has been earmarked for my children's university education. A large amount of money was earmarked by the government to develop the infrastructure. Okay, you could have a place that's earmarked for closure or earmarked for disposal. Yeah, it means that the decision has been made. Yeah, so the government has decided that it needs to shut 3 hospitals, and these 3 hospitals have been earmarked for closure. Yeah, they've been chosen effectively for closure. They've been marked out, they've been designated, they've been identified for it. I think you could also probably use the word earmark to talk about a characteristic feature, an identifying feature, like a hallmark. So, Yeah, this project has all the earmarks of a disaster, all the attributes, all the properties, all the characteristics, all the hallmarks of it. Yeah. Okay, so this shop has all the earmarks of a quality establishment selling quality things. Yeah? It's got all the identifying features, the characteristics. Okay, so to earmark, to set aside, to lay aside, to keep back, to reserve for something. Yeah. I'm going to earmark next week for the complete redecoration of the house. Yeah, to set aside. Okay, formality to earmark. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it anywhere except in a very formal writing. A touch on the more informal side, but use anywhere except in something very formal. And then as to origin, well, it's this mark in the ear. I'm thinking about this poor sheep with shapes cut out of its ear. Yeah, and those are the earmarks. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope this has all the earmarks of a great video. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Earmark.